What up guys, it's R4UL TV. We're back again. This time around we're going to do a 15-minute mechanics. 15-minute mechanics again for this week is oil change. Oil change on a car. When I say 15 minutes, most cars it should take you 10-15 minutes, right? But some cars with all the cowling and everything, with all the cover, will take you more, right? But this is a 15-minute mechanics oil change. Let's go. Right, the time has started, guys. The clock is ticking. Let's go. Let's do this. Right, we've got a oil change here. What we're gonna do is we need is a 14 milli. Oil is draining, guys, as you can see there. And the time is ticking. 58, 59, 1 minute. Right, let it drain. We'll just wait for it to drain out, all of it. Yeah, you can see the timer's behind me. It's on 2 minutes 18 seconds, 2 minutes 20 seconds. The thing is, I'm losing precious time here while this is draining. It's like watching paint dry. Come on, let's drain it. Go, gravity. Come on, gravity, push, gravity. Right, since that is draining out here, the oil filter is up there. So while that's draining, you might as well get the big dogs, a big clamp, take the oil filter off. Let's go. Big clamps onto the oil filter. That's cracked. Get your hands on that. It should be hand tight. That needs an oil change, this car. Never ever been changed, I think. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to know how to change the oil and oil filter on the cars, make sure you check out my video. Give me a thumbs and like on the R4UL TV oil change on various cars. Go check that out. But this is not a tutorial, by the way. This is race against the time. 15-minute mechanics. Let's go. Right, guys, 3 minutes 26, and what we've done is we've drained the oil. The oil filter is off. Ready for the new one to go on. Let's get the new one on. Let's put the sump plug back on, give it a clean out. Let's go. Let's do this. Time is ticking. As you can see, guys, I'm not making this up. There's the time, 4 minutes 14 15. Let's go for it. Let's do it. That's tight. Get the oil filter on. Right, guys, there's the oil filter. As you can see, the time's ticking over there. We're on about 4 minutes 50. Right, the thing is, put a bit of oil around it, oil around the seal. Another thing is, when we're putting it on there, top tip for today is, when you take the old one off, make sure you take the oil seal off with it as well, because sometimes when you take the old filter off, what happens is the seal stays there, and then you're not going to get a good seal. Right, that's on now. Oil filter's on, the sump plug is on, drained out and everything. Give it a little clean, spend about a minute there, clean it out and everything. And yeah, let's go, let's put some oil in it, let's go. Sent it down and everything, as you can see. Time is still ticking, 6 minutes 22, 23, 24, whatever. Right, let's get the oil in. Right, it's above the maximum, way above the maximum, but that's a good thing because when we're going to start it up, it's going to sink down. It's going to go into the nuts and crannies, everything. So yeah, let's go, let's do it. Let's put the cap back on. Oil's in. Time is on 8:30. Plenty of time. Over 5 minutes left. Let's go, let's do it, let's start it up. Onto this side. Make sure the oil light goes off. Oil light's off. Give it about 10 seconds. 10. Happy days. Recheck the oil again. Right, we've still got time. We give it a little clean out while it's here. Everything else, clean everything else out. That's done. There's no service light to reset on these, oil light to reset, and that's it. What shall we do now is stop the time. 10:22, way within 15 minutes. You can do it within 5 minutes actually. If you've got all the parts, everything ready, you can do it even quicker. That's the 15-minute mechanics today, guys. 10:22, way within the limit and everything. Anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's the oil change, 15-minute mechanics. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.